What's up, long hairs? Elefante here, and today I'm going to be showing you 4 different ways to tie your hair up but still maintain a low profile. These styles are great for both with and without a hat. If you're trying to hide your 4-day-old greasy hair, or if your hair is clean and you're going to a formal event. First things first, brushing. You want to start from the tips. You know, if you start up here and your hair is tangled, you're gonna be pulling all those tangles and cinching them all down together. Loosen up those tangles and then move your way up to the roots and start spreading that oil down your hair. Now, I just washed my hair yesterday, so I'm not too oily, but you get a little bit every day. So we're all brushed out. Good flow going here. Oils are all spread. Now this first one is called the fold over. Really easy. First step, gather all your hair. I prefer my hair to come down up against my neck and flip up towards my scalp. Some guys like this way. Some guys just throw up a, side to side. It all depends where your hand is and how that first pull off the wrist goes. You want to start with your hand low like this. Pull up towards the ceiling for your first pull. Hair down. And then hair up. Last one, pull halfway through and keep your tips up like that. Give it a little spread, and there you go, the fold over. These next 3 are really great if you like wearing snapbacks and you like to pull your hair through the hole in the snapback. But this first one works really well without it and is great for formal attire. So, first step, again, gather all the hair. Hand at the base of the scalp. And you're just gonna twist and twist and twist. And then you're gonna start to wrap that twist around itself. I think we're good here. I think we're still nice and flat. Hair tie off the wrist. Flip, hold the ball. Pull it through, flip, and secure. Nice, tight, low ball. And you can come back here too in the mirror, if you've got one, and just comb those strays, that new growth, into the rest of your hair. Really flatten it out. And there you have it. Traditional low ball. Works really great with and without hats. And here it is with the hat. You can also tie this a little higher up on your scalp, on the back of your head, to have it come through the snap. This next one I picked up from El Moreno on the YouTube channel, and it's called the Dirty Low Ball. That's kind of a modified version. And I also want to point out, it's important to be gentle when you do these because it can cause breakage. So another way to prevent that is by using an older hair tie with a little bit more give. These things last forever, so don't throw away your old hair ties. So the modified Dirty Low Ball. So he goes all 4 fingers, and that really determines the size of the ball. So I like to go 2 fingers. Keep it all just between 2 fingers, really 3 if you count my thumb. And what you're gonna do is twist as you pull through. And then you're gonna bring it around, pinch. Same thing, bring back. This is where it gets a little dangerous. You gotta be gentle. And there you go. The messy low ball. This next one's similar to the messy low ball, but it's a little cleaner, but still on the messy side. And this one I'm gonna do a little bit more towards the middle of the back of my head so I can demonstrate a ball through the snapback here. So, step 1, gather all the hair, bring it to the midpoint of the back of your head. This is my go-to for hats, by the way. What you're gonna do is, you're gonna twist before you bring your hair through. like that. And then you're gonna take all this hair here, you're gonna bring it under. It's now on this side. You're gonna come over and bring it all over one more time. Should have a nice little cozy ball there. With the SPF again, because of its clip, makes it super easy. You just boom. And that's my go-to. Another modified messy low ball, more on the mid ball. And there you have it. 4 ways to put up your hair by keeping a low profile. Subscribe to the channel, check back for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys soon. Keep letting it ride.